Hi, I'm Joe from Logitech, and in this video, I'll show you how to customize the F-Row keys on your Signature Comfort Plus keyboard with the Logi Options Plus app. Have you ever wondered if you can make your F-Row keys do more than just the usual functions? Let me show you how in 4 quick steps. Step 1. Download or update to the latest version of the Logi Options Plus app from app.logi.com. Step 2. Make sure your keyboard is powered on and then go to your Bluetooth settings to connect your Signature Comfort Plus keyboard. Step 3. Once connected, open the Logi Options Plus app. Your keyboard should appear automatically. Click on your Signature Comfort Plus keyboard, then click on Keys in the sidebar. The highlighted F-Row keys in Options Plus show you exactly which keys you can customize with your favorite shortcuts or actions. Step 4. Click on any F-Row key you want to personalize. For example, let's click on F5. On the right-hand side of the screen, a menu appears with a list of actions. Some popular actions you might want to assign include setting quick access shortcuts, such as copy or paste, opening folders or files, locking your computer to secure your device. Select your preferred action from the menu. As soon as you click on an action, it's instantly assigned to the F-Row key. Time to test your new F-Row actions. Simply press the assigned key and watch it in action. If you want to undo a customization at any point and return a key to its default function, just select the original action from the list for that key. So that's your Signature Comfort Plus keyboard F-Row, fully customized and ready to go. How have you personalized yours? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Logitech tips.